All right. So my first question is, tell me about yourself and your role and responsibilities at your organization, specifically Ashtang, but you can also relate it to the other startup that you work at.
Okay. So I work basically for two organizations, actively working in for two organizations. I work with the capacity of director in market research future. I had the research wing there, and I'm also the part of the strategic role and management in the organization. I recently started with Ashtang Science and Wellbeing. I registered the company last year in October 2020 in the time of pandemic because I thought it was the need of the hour. Entire year has gone. People sitting inside the homes, and there are challenges in terms of mental well-being and emotional well-being. So I thought that this is high time that I should start with something like this. As being a researcher and a biomedical engineer, I spent approximately 16, 17 years researching about the same subjects related to health and well-being, right? So
Okay.
if you want to know what exactly we do in Ashtang, we have two wings. One wing is curative and the other wing is preventive.
Okay.
So preventive wing majorly deals with organizations and individuals' preventive health. So when I say preventive health, and the word is very well used in the corporate world, corporate well-being, but very less understood by even the industry giant, according to me. So I thought it is important that there is a well researched, well understood frameworks should be developed so that we can offer it to the organization for their well-being, right? And in the curative wing, we individually take people with any kind of disease or ailment, especially lifestyle diseases or the occupational diseases. So when I say lifestyle diseases, all the diseases which are not infection. So if you ask, we don't treat COVID patients or patients with viral infections, but we have individuals who have been suffering with blood pressure, hypertension, anxiety, stress, PCOS, especially in case of women, hormonal imbalances, thyroid, diabetes, etc. So, major focus on all the lifestyle diseases which we believe develop in 20 to 30 years due to their ill habits which they have followed in their lifetime, the kind of occupational stress which they had to handle, and the kind of lifestyle changes which we are seeing these days in terms of food adulteration, or the work hours complexities, or the economy and the world trying to move very fast and breaking the laws of
Mhm.
nature, right? So all these things are very, very responsible for lifestyle diseases. So curative wing especially deals with patients like these. Okay. In preventive wing, if I talk about the frameworks, so if you understand the current infrastructure of well-being which is given to the organizations, it is majorly related to either a fat loss, or they just run a program, or they'll just motivate people to work out, or there will be some challenges that quit smoking, 10-pound weight loss challenges given to the organizations, or they will give either they will give some kind of matrices or platforms which these individuals have to fill, whether they have login, how many hours they have worked in a week, so that there is a login plan, and people can feel accountable for themselves. But at Ashtang, and I being a founder personally feel that well-being is a very individualistic thing. Okay, so we design our frameworks. I'll explain it to you in details in further questions maybe. We design
Mhm.
our frameworks. In fact, we are researching about our frameworks with people who have spent 20, 30 years in researching about the same subject. So we are dealing with a couple of scientists and corporate professionals who have worked in Harvard or major organizations. So we are still in the phase of developing the frameworks for organizations. Yeah.